Hello again, my name is Cameron, and today I'm going to be showcasing an older experimental project of mine in which I tried to make something similar to what you find in modern Doom games, where you're able to lower the health of enemies and perform glory kills on them. So in this game, I wanted to make it have a hands-drawn aesthetic, and I wanted it to be two-dimensional. And so that's what you see here. So first, let's talk about the player. So the player has this rotating arm, which you use to aim the little pistol in your hand, and you're able to shoot at enemies. You're also able to jump, and you're also able to dash, and the movement feels very nice. So let's talk about the first enemy right here. So the first enemy are these ghosts, and they fly around until you lower the health enough, and then you're able to perform a glory kill on them. In this case, it's tearing the ghost apart. Um, so let's talk about the next enemy. So the next enemy are these mouth creatures, and it's pretty much a mouth with legs, and they walk around and such. Once you lower the health enough, you can perform a glory kill on it. And in this case, the stick figure pulls out a knife, cuts the head off the creature, and then kicks the head. And I had a fun time making that animation. And you can see when the head pops off, it bounces on the legs in the animation. It's like a little cartoonish type deal. And then the gibs, or like the parts after he kicks them from the creature, are turned into physics objects, so you can see them like roll around and such. So let's go to the next enemy, which is a this was going to be like one of the bosses, or like a mini boss. And this was inspired, um, well, like Super Mario games inspired this boss right here, where you'll see in a second, but it's like the turtle bosses where they first just move around slowly, and then they go into their shell and spin around and move, and you have to jump over them and such. So you'll see that here, jump over it, that kind of thing. And then there are bounce pads on the sides, which just have the pistol sprite, which bounce the mini boss up in the air. And then he turns back into his robot form right here. He's able to shoot you and such. It is not finished. The last time I worked on this, I started adding the ability to actually beat the boss, where you can jump on its head, kind of. Oh, doesn't show it here, but you'd be able to jump on its head, and then the head would go down. Um, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'll actually show that if I can do that. Let's see. Wow, it is not working. There we go. All right, and then it freaks out because it's not finished. But yeah, that's about it. So yeah, this was a fun project to work on, and thank you for watching.